Oh my gosh, the butterfly. The butterfly. The butterfly. The ever so elusive butterfly. I found the butterfly. I finally documented it, you guys. Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to this channel. I'm Jazz, your favorite blue-haired fairy, and today we're going to be doing a very special unboxing. Okay. I ordered 2 tops and 1 pair of earrings, and then I later ordered a custom top. I don't think the custom top is going to be in this order. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Excited. Here's what was in the package, my 2 tops that she so nicely wrapped together. Oh my god, the butterfly is back. Okay, and then this is just like her Instagram. Very cute, very, very cute. And then she wrote me a little thank you note, which is awesome. Thank you, Allie. Let's do the earrings first. I'm so freaking excited for these. Oh my gosh, these are so beautiful. She handmade these earrings as well, so that's really cool. Oh my goodness, I'm so freaking excited. I want to wear these right now. Look at this. The little moons with quartz. That is so cute. I'm gonna put these on right now. It's been a while since I've worn earrings. Apparently I forgot how to put earrings on. So something that I really, really like about these is I believe she makes the moon out of clay. That means that they're not going to be like a super heavy earring, which I appreciate because when I was younger, I was climbing a tree and I had a hoop earring on, and the hoop got stuck on one of the branches, and I pulled and I stretched out one of my earlobes. It was not fun. So like now it's like extra kind of sensitive, I guess. I don't know. These are really cute. I love these so much. Oh my god. And I love that I have like the short hair so like you can actually see them. These are so cute. Oh my god, this is so pretty. So this is called a wraparound top, I believe. And definitely going to have to either wear like a tank top or like a bralette under it. But this is so cute because you can wear it multiple ways. You can either wear it like tied in the front here, or you can wrap it around. I think there's like 3 or 4 different ways that you can wear this top, which is super awesome. These sleeves make me feel like I have wings. It's amazing. I love it so much. I definitely feel like I would wear this one more with like maybe a tank top underneath, just because I feel like it is a lot of skin, and I personally don't like showing a lot of skin like this unless I'm like in Vegas or something. But this is just so freaking cute. So I don't want to do this, but I'm gonna for the sake of the YouTube. So it's basically like a little cardigan kind of thing, which you can totally even wear like this, I feel would be cute. But yeah, you can wear it, I guess, even like this as well, and just kind of wrap it once. Just kind of do like a little loop-de-loop here. And then you can always wear it like crossed over the way I had it. How did I do it? I don't remember. I feel like this way is probably really, really cute. Got a little bow in the back. And then I got this bad boy for Halloween time. I believe it's called the Cauldron top, if I'm not mistaken. It's got a little pentagram on it. Can we see that? We can't. We're gonna have to wait for me to try that on. Yes, so this is the Cauldron top, and holy heck, I'm excited. This is so cute. I am so ready to wear this all spooky month long. I will say that the back of this was a little difficult to figure out for myself. It got tangled and I started to freak out because I couldn't figure out how to tie it, but don't worry guys, we got there. Also, I do want to say, this covers a lot more than I was expecting it to cover, so I definitely feel like I can get away with wearing this, maybe even to work, with maybe a denim jacket. I don't know. It's super cute. I'm super excited for this one. Another thing though, when I ordered it in a B cup, because that's what I am. Apparently not. I don't know if this spillage is normal for a cup. I don't know. Maybe my boobs are just dumb. I don't know. I have dumb boobs. But it's still really cute. So that was my unboxing, bagging / the butterfly is back try-on for Knotty Girl threads. Again, her name is Allie. I will put all of her information in the description box below. And no, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for this with my own money. And I do want to say she's a little on the pricey end and her stuff takes a little long to get here, but I guarantee you that you are going to love her products. She makes it handmade all by herself with love. So if you really factor in all of that, waiting that long for something like this is totally doable. I'm totally fine with waiting, especially because I know that she works so hard and she really does take care and consideration into everything that she makes. It's expensive because, you know, you're buying from a person. You're paying for not only their materials, but their time and then a little extra because, you know, they gotta eat. So, oh my goodness. Ooh, this bird is just scared me. Well, hello. You're so pretty. Oh no, don't eat those. Oh, the bird's eating our figs. Alrighty. I just wanted to, again, thank Knotty Girl Threads, aka Allie, and thank you guys for watching. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'll put all the fun stuff here for you. And I'm getting bit by bugs everywhere. It hurts. My ankles are just raw right now. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye. Where did you go? Ever so weakly. He's eating our figs.